Service in Memphis has issued a flash flood warning for Central Lee County in northeastern Mississippi, northeastern Pontotoc County in northeastern Mississippi, until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:17 p.m. Central Daylight Time, local law enforcement reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen, with additional rainfall expected. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Tupelo, Verona, Tree State Park, Tom Bigby State Park, Planchosville, Furs, Sherman, Bissell, Flowdale, Belden, Palmetto, Chesterville, Skyline, Inville, and Richmond. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Mississippi: Lee and Pontotoc.